Hi friend, welcome to Locust Street Cottage. Today I have so many seeds to start, but first I have a problem in the bunny yard. Let's go! And of course when I say bunny yard, I absolutely mean not in the bunny yard. Quinn, excuse me sir, what are you doing out here? Yeah, that's right. You head yourself back in the back. It was out of food and water, so that might have been part of the problem. Quinn escaped again while I was setting up my next shot. That's what I get for not turning on the fence. But since we're out here recording Quinn being naughty, I thought it might be a good opportunity to explain why my rabbits don't run away. Quinn, look me in the eye. You're being naughty. Naughty. We have to go back in the bunny room. You have to go back in your bunny yard. You can't be with the girls. I know. I'm sorry. Let's try this again with Mr. Quinn, and I will turn the fence on this time. One of the reasons Mr. Quinn doesn't just run away for good and go to some other neighborhood is because he has plenty to eat, either in the form of free choice pellet or obviously the grass that he can nibble on all day long. Girls, tell Quinn breakfast is served. Quinn, that fence is on. You're gonna get booped. No. Stay in there. Why is that fence not working? This is some intense behavior. Quinn, I need to fix the fence. You mean business, don't you? Why is that not booping you? Oh, Lordy. Okay, Quinn, I think I got you now. You're free to come out and try the fence again. The second reason Quinn doesn't run away, like just to another house or far away when he gets out, is because of this. Hello, ladies. Are you ready for a yard day? You just missed Quinn. He had to go. Callie, are you coming out? Calico, come on out. The weather's great. Come on. There we go. Hop out. Yay, good bunny. Of course, Flower's not Quinn's favorite person, but he did have to come by and let Flower know who's boss. Hi, would you like to have a yard day? Flower's a good boy. He never challenges the fence. Oh, good boy. Some pets in the morning? Does that feel good? Come on out. It's nice out. It's gonna be a perfect day for a yard day. I know, I felt you boop me. You say good morning? Oh, back inside. Rabbit bucks are very territorial. In fact, that's one of their only jobs, is to secure the warren and of course facilitate making more bunnies. Speaking of more bunnies, it looks like the trouble bunnies have figured out how to hop the wall and make it into the open hutch part. Oh, he's gonna go back in. Nope. This is what I'm dealing with right now. Quinn, are you serious? The fence is on. I appreciate your tenacity. I already put the girls away. You can stop. And leave Flower alone. Now, I said in a previous video that I thought these earth staples were useless, but I think I may have found a use for them after all. Mr. Quinn is getting out right here. He's pushing up under the fence. And I'm wondering if I were to just, and I'm hesitant to touch this fence because I think it's on, and I can't figure out why it's not bothering him. But what if I just tacked these down. He's just sticking his cute little bunny nose under here. So I've been known to advise people that bunnies are like water, and hey, the fence is on! Oh my gosh. What the heck? Why is this bunny immune to this? It felt like a 9-volt battery. Like, it doesn't hurt. it just surprised me. I know part of the problem is bunnies are so fuzzy that they can get pretty close to that fence and not feel it. And this situation is absolutely my fault because I didn't turn the fence on yesterday. So all night he was out in that yard, and they can tell when the fence is on. I think I may have solved the bunny escaping problem, but just to be sure, I'm gonna stay out here and watch him. Let me go get a cold drink. I went inside, I got my stuff for my project, I got my drink, and guess what I came out to? Quinn! I wasn't fast enough. I think this is the 5th time I've caught him. Whoa, 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 I got you. Sorry about that. Well, Quinn got me that time. As soon as he realized where I was taking him, he started pitching a fit, and he scratched my hand. He's never done that before. So I've positioned myself where I can see what he's doing, and you can see he got me. I gotta wipe the blood off, but I'm gonna work on these seeds right here, and I'm gonna figure out where this rabbit is getting out and where my weak point is, because I am determined that he is going to stay in that yard. And my brain is bigger than a peanut, so surely I can outwit the rabbit. I got 5 bread pans of tomatoes and peppers done, and I could probably source some more seeds and do some more, but right now I need to plant these potatoes. And Quinn has not challenged the fence at all. I don't know if that's because he sees me out here, which is a real possibility, or he's given up. Now back to the things I was supposed to be doing before Quinn decided to be difficult. Guys, they're bright blue. Well, after our little adventure today where Quinn got out of his yard 5 times and I had to wrestle him to put him away, seems like things have calmed down. He did lay just inside the door for most of the day, but after giving him some pets, he seemed to lighten up and he came out and had some food. Today, one of the trouble bunnies escaped through one of the tiny little holes that I hadn't considered closing up. But now that that's done and I secured that area, everybody is safe at least for a couple hours. So I have seeds to finish. If you like what you saw, you can subscribe right there and watch more bunny videos right there. Thanks, bye.